I was recently asked to make a duplicate stair baluster for an old house. After making the first copy, I set about to make the second one using a 4x4 that had been the leg of an old workbench in my basement. I ripped off a piece using the bandsaw, flattened it on the jointer, and got a square and flat edge. I then ran it through the planer and got a 4 square piece using the table saw. I cut off some excess using a handsaw and mounted it on the lathe using a roughing tool to get it to round. I then taped the original to my blank and marked off all the features. And then extended the pencil marks by spinning the blank. Using calipers, I transferred measurements from the original to the new piece. I marched my way down the blank, taking frequent measurements. And little by little, the features started to reveal themselves. For the long final taper, I measured every 2 inches, took diameter measurements, and then using the parting tool, turned down to these diameters. I then connected the dots to get the final taper. I then sanded using a variety of grits. And applied a seal coat of shellac. And with that, I completed my first true spindle turning. These will ultimately be painted, so the difference in wood species should not matter at all.